never gonna get rich, but here's a cash register right here, and until you break it open, you don't know. Oh, look at this, I broke it. Oh no, there's a penny. Okay, well that's metal. I'm sorting everything out. And then, look at this, it has the old ribbon in it. I haven't seen that in a long time. It's got the old paper roll in it. And then there's several ways to open this up, but my favorite is, see what it's doing. Well, it's being, oh, just find out what I see. Some copper wire right here, and to us, that's more money right here than the whole cash register is worth right here. Now I'm also separating, if you see I got a pile of copper here, and I have a place to put the transformers here, and then I'm also hanging onto these motherboards. So you want to break all this stuff down into, but anything like this, I got a special place that I'm putting them all. And like I said, there's still more copper here. Man, look at all this copper. Okay. I'll give you an idea that when you get a lot of scrap, you break it down into categories. Pretty much. Oh, there's another motherboard in there. I don't know if you're calling them motherboards or something else, circuit boards. But all that adds up. And this is the piece of steel that I got left, not much. More copper. I'm gonna leave that all together, just steel. Okay, thank you very much. We didn't get rich off of that, we got a penny. Yeah.